Inside of your new GBA Components thread repair kit, you will find everything needed to repair damaged base can threads. This includes a guide ring assembly with drill and reamer bushings, a 1/2 inch carbide tipped drill bit, a 13mm reamer, a 3/8 inch 16 threads per inch tap with handle, a wire brush, a 9/16 inch ratcheting wrench, a 9/16 inch combination wrench, a bottle of cutting fluid, a grade 8 bolt, nut, and 2 flat washers, along with a spacer bushing, 6 stainless steel L868 threaded inserts, and 6 stainless steel L867 threaded inserts. Before starting, use caution. Make sure that the circuit for the light fixture you'll be working on has been locked and tagged out, and that there is no current to the fixture. Start by removing any remaining bolts securing the light fixture. Disconnect the fixture and place it aside. If any part of the broken bolt is protruding above the flange ring, it is beneficial to grind it down flush using an angle grinder. Position the drill guide over the broken bolt and secure the guide down using the provided countersunk flathead screws. Insert the 1/2 inch drill bushing into the guide and lock it into place. Apply cutting fluid to the tip of the provided 1/2 inch drill bit. Insert the drill into the guide and begin drilling at low to medium speed using even pressure. Apply additional cutting fluid as needed. After drilling out the broken bolt, remove the 1/2 inch drill bushing and replace it with the 13mm reamer bushing. Using the provided 13mm reamer, ream the hole to the final required dimensions, using slow speed and light pressure. Unbolt and remove the drill guide from the base can. Take the provided grade 8 bolt and run the nut up to the head of the bolt. Then, place the washers onto the bolt, followed by the spacer bushing. It is recommended that lubricant be applied to the bolt threads, washer faces, top and bottom of the spacer bushing, and the insert threads prior to installation. Take one of the stainless steel threaded inserts and insert the tapered end into the bottom side of the flange, making sure it's centered in the newly drilled hole. Screw the bolt assembly into the insert through the flange ring so that at least 3 threads, or approximately 1/8 of an inch, are exposed past the bottom of the insert. Place the longer ratcheting wrench onto the nut and hold the head of the bolt with the shorter combination wrench. Begin to tighten the nut. pulling the insert all the way up so that the bottom lip of the insert is flush against the underside of the base can. There will be a definite change in resistance when the insert is fully seated. Once the insert has been installed, run the provided 3/8 inch tap through the insert, followed by the wire brush to clean out the threads. The damaged threads are now repaired, and the light fixture can be reinstalled and properly secured before re-energizing the circuit. Be sure to use the correct bolts and torque value to keep your light fixtures in compliance with all applicable FAA advisory circulars and engineering briefs. We have determined that our coated bolts, torqued to 28 foot-pounds, will achieve the clamping force recommended in FAA Engineering Brief 83A. For more details on proper bolt installation, refer to our coated bolt installation guide. Remember to keep up with scheduled maintenance, and thank you for choosing GBA components.